Hey guys, today we're going to unbox and install this Otterbox phone case for a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra phone. This case is from the Commuter series and we have the black one, although it also comes in other colors including blue, green, and pink. And with that said, let's take a look inside. First off, it looks like everything inside, the case and the belt clip, is wedged tightly inside this paper cardboard piece. There's also some Samsung pamphlets with very tiny font, so we'll save that read for later. We're going to remove the case from the paper cardboard, and we're also going to take a look at what is printed on the paper cardboard. It looks like very brief instructions on how to install the case and the belt clip. They're pretty short on words, and there's only a diagram for each step. So it looks like we still need to take the case apart and separate them out into three pieces or cells. And by the way, the green thing you see there on one of the cases is holding the key to the SIM card tray, just in case we need to access it. So the first piece, I believe, which is the flexible silicone piece, came out relatively easy. But separating out the frame from the other piece is proving to be much more difficult. The pieces are wedged together tightly, and it doesn't seem like there's any easy way to separate them with our fingers. So we ended up having to use a mini screwdriver to wedge the frame apart. Look how we had to apply the screwdriver on each and every side of the case to wedge the pieces apart. It actually took several minutes, but we finally got the pieces separated. Now we have the three pieces separated and we can start inserting the phone into one of the pieces that we just separated. Then we can insert the frame, and make sure you snap the frame into place on all sides of the phone. And finally, we can attach the last piece on the bottom. Now we just make sure that we can access all the buttons and holes we should have access to, including the SIM tray, the camera, the volume and power buttons, the USB charging port, audio port, and the speaker. And for those of you interested in using the belt clip, this is what it looks like. It's actually a very hard shell and very stiff. The clip itself is not very flexible. If you're able to clip it onto something though, like your belt loop or bag, you can be assured it will not accidentally slip off. And let's go ahead and insert the whole phone with the case into it. As you can see, it inserted easily and fits perfectly. The clip also rotates 360 degrees, which will make it easier to use.